everybody, Boone Wyatt with the 323 Concept Furniture Restoration here. Today, as you see, we have a dining chair and the back is loose. So we are going to re-glue all of the tenons on this. So I am modifying my clamp to make it a spreader. And this is one of the best and easiest ways I found to sort of loosen up these joints nice and easy in combination with a little rubber mallet. So I use my spreader clamp. And here you see I almost killed myself with the clamp as I was knocking off the back. It was very embarrassing. Oh, how am I going to recoup? So here I am taking off all of the spindles. Luckily none of them had been nailed in by any previous repairman. Sometimes you can cause some damage doing that. But once we get it all apart, our goal is to clean up all of these tenon joints to get all previous glue residue, dirt, grease, grime off of them. Otherwise, your glue joints will not hold securely. Once we get them cleaned up, as you see here, we are applying glue to all of the joints. So I usually start with the top ones, get all those set, and then I start with the bottom and start getting them re-clamped down. Obviously modified my clamp back into an actual clamp and just clamp those down a little bit at a time. Use your rubber mallet if you need to, get it clamped in place, clean up your glue joints using a damp rag, and you are good to go. If y'all like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and turn on your notifications for future videos. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We hope to see you in the future.